Alright, so I am outside of the Decades Entertainment Center here in Lancaster. And here we have a wonderful wheelchair lift here to ride. It's a Garaventa Genesis wheelchair lift with a max capacity of 750 pounds, 340 kilograms. These are your buttons. And now let's take this thing for a ride. Whoops. Bump my arm against the railing, or my elbow. There goes the door. Use your interior button controls. There's your stop switch, your phone, certificate. This all was installed in 2019. Garaventa Genesis. Alright, let's take this thing for a spin. Here we go up. This is manually controlled. Here we are coming up to the main entrance or the side entrance of Decades. Watch the level. And now let's take it back down. And we'll turn in the other direction. And here we are coming back down to the first floor. Plop. And here we are back at the first floor, or the main level, which is the exit level. Anyways, that was a ride on a wonderful wheelchair lift here at Decades. And I guess that's it.